Looking to tackle your waste disposal needs in Bettendorf, Iowa with ease and efficiency? Look no further than Sears Disposal. We're your go-to destination for top-notch dumpster rental services that'll have you saying goodbye to clutter in no time. Whether decluttering your home, renovating your office, or managing a construction site, we've got the perfect dumpster solutions to fit your project like a glove. For quick assistance and to reserve your dumpster today, call us at 563-459-9969 or hop over to our website at www.searsdisposal.com. At Sears Disposal, we're all about making your waste management process as smooth as possible. With our range of dumpster sizes and flexible rental options, you'll find exactly what you need to get the job done right. Dumpster Rental Bettendorf, Iowa, has never been this convenient or hassle-free. Say goodbye to waste woes and hello to seamless disposal solutions with Sears Disposal. Our dedication to prompt service and customer satisfaction makes us the ultimate choice for dumpster rental services in Bettendorf, Iowa. Let us handle the heavy lifting while you focus on what truly matters, your project's success. Contact us today at 563-459-9969 or visit www.searsdisposal.com to experience the difference Sears Disposal can make for your waste management needs.